Welcome to Roblox Party. And today's topic, obviously, we'll be designing a terrain. Again, it's into designing now. So first of all, without further ado, you see you have here Explorer. Inside the Explorer, you have base plate. I am in classic base plate, okay? I'm gonna click on base plate. I'm gonna change the color of it to be look as sand. And the material of this base plate, I'll change it as well to be sand. So you can see that I have made it sand, and then the properties, I have changed the color and the material, both of it. Now I'll be designing the terrain. So what I'm going to do is I don't need a toolbox. I'll close the toolbox. When you click on home, you'll see a thing called editor. Well, actually we call it terrain editor. I'm going to click on terrain editor. Well, you can simply generate if you want, but here I'm not here to show you how to generate. I'm here to show you how to actually design something by yourself. So I'm going to click on region. I'm going to click on select. Now, this is how we made the swimming pool. If you remember, if you haven't checked out that video yet, you can have a look at that video first. So anyway, I will now select this area. Okay. You might have a problem to select the area, so please select it from the top angle. Okay. Select the area and use these dots to stretch it. I'll click on the middle dot to give it some height, and you can see now I have selected this area, and I'm gonna fill this area with water. Yeah, and you can see that it's filled with water. Looks like a sea, looks like ocean now. The next thing would be I will be creating a small island here. Again, I'll click on editor. This time I'll click on edit. I'll click on add. Once you click on add, you have this thing here, this 3D brush. Please undo it, press Ctrl Z or Command Z, or you can press this arrow to go back, undo. Right now I clicked on add. Now what I'm gonna do is you see I have a 3D brush. I clicked on add. I'll make this brush size, you see base size, I'll make it 2. Now this thing, how do you design a mountain? Is this there? Here is it how you design it. First of all, click and draw a V, an inverted V like this. You see, I click, bring my mouse up, and then bring my mouse down. You see that? Now I'll try to complete this structure. I'll make a V on this side as well. Like I'm making a slide. Oops. You see, in this thing, you have to use undo a lot. So I use undo again. Okay, fine. Looks fine to me because the mountains are not uniform. Anyway, so the next step is you bring your mouse at the top of the mountain and drag your mouse down. Drag your mouse down. Drag your mouse down, and so on. Maybe I'll leave this as a cave. It will take a few it'll take a while actually to learn this, but try it out, practice by yourself, and then you'll be able to do anything you like. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna finish it now. Okay, this side as well. Maybe I'll make another cave here. Yep, I left this area. Now, well, kind of looks like a mountain now, kind of. Now, you see, I have this thing here. Now, what actually I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool here called smooth tool. Smooth means making things smooth. Please don't use it for long. Don't click it for long. Don't use the smooth tool and click for long. How do you make things smooth? Just click, 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 click. Don't do a repetitive click and then it will make things smooth. But don't hold the click. That's my personal experience. So you see, you can make a mountain smooth like that. Now I'll create some extra effects here. I will now click on add one more time and choose the material sand. And I'm at the top angle. I'm looking at this mountain from the top, and I'll add a sand around it like this. See? Looks a bit more realistic. if we do stuff like this. And again, I'll use the smooth tool. Smooth, 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 smooth. Smooth, 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 smooth. Smooth, 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 smooth. And there you go. I think I'll subtract this area a bit. Oops. Maybe no need. I'll add actually. Add grass here a bit. Okay. Well, let's click on play. Let's find out. Well, actually, can we stand on this or not? Standing on the mountain, as we said before. Like this, you can design multiple. Oh, here is our secret cave. You can see that. Now, actually, there's some extra stuff that I would like to mention here as well. If you want to make it look more realistic, you should click on terrain and then please check on decoration, and you will see that there's some grass grown over. Also, you can change the watercolor here. Right now, it's blue. If you are from different planet, you can make it red. You can make it purple. You can make it any color you like. I'm gonna go with, gonna make it looks like PP Island. I'm gonna make it green a bit. Well, okay, that looks nice. And I'll click on add to add some extra effects. I'll add some rocky material. You know, some beaches are rocky, and I've added a rocky material here. And I will paint, use the paint tool now. Paint is used to paint stuff, not adding stuff. I will paint some of the rocks to be grass. You can see that. And if I click on play here, and let's see what happens now. Well, here we are. Well, that's how you simply make terrain. You can paint it with more stuff like ice, volcanoes, and all that stuff. So, well, that should be pretty much it for this video, guys. Please make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to Roblox Baji.